Put on the full armor of God.
Leave no gaps, leave no broken space.
Against the schemes of the dark,
we stand in His grace.
when the heart is wounded and the cold winds blow, He gives a strong comfort that the world won't know.
When the mind is heavy and the doubts invade,
The helmet of salvation,
keeps the promise made.
a good father dressing us for the frozen night.
Wrapping us in holiness, holding us tight.
No vulnerability, no place to fall.
The armor of the King is shielding it all.
He has strengthened our soul. Stand firm against the schemes. Full armor. Stand firm.
No broken space.
Covered by grace. Covered by grace.
This fallen world is getting cold and gray.
But His robes of righteousness,
We'll never fade.
our position is secure, our victory won.
Standing in the armor of the Holy Son.
Full armor, stand firm against the schemes. Stand firm against the schemes.
A good father's love. We are covered.
Vistam toda a armadura de Deus.